Hello students, welcome back to the fourth chapter, that is planning. We plan out each task of our life, such as when to wake up, when to eat, and when to play with friends. In the same way, management is also a task that involves the concept of planning as one of its functions. In the previous session, we learnt about the meaning of planning. Deciding in advance what and when to do is called as planning. We know that. A basic function or basic task for every manager is to figure out how to achieve a certain goal. Now, in this session, let us learn why planning is so important for an organization. Let us begin. The first importance tells us that planning provides direction. We know that planning means deciding in advance what is to be done. It provides direction to the efforts of employees in the organization. So, planning makes clear what employees have to do, how to do, etc. As well as the employees will know in advance in which direction they have to work. Imagine the situation if there were no planning, employees would be working in different directions and organization would not be able to achieve its desired goals. The second importance of planning is that reduces the risk of uncertainty. Uncertainty means something unexpected. You know what? Organizations have to face many uncertainties and unexpected situations or conditions every day. The plans are made to overcome such uncertainties. Plans help in preparing for unexpected risk such as fire or some other calamities in the organization. So, the resources are kept aside in the plan to meet such uncertainties. The third point tells us that why planning is necessary, why planning is important. Planning reduces overlapping and wasteful activities. If you plan in advance for the future activities, you can avoid duplication of work, that means repetition of work. If you plan, you can minimize or completely eliminate the useless and wasteful activities. So, for every activity, you need to plan first for minimizing the wastages. You know this, planning helps in getting innovative and creative ideas, something new ideas innovatively. In the features of planning, we learned that planning is an intellectual activity, that is, it is a mental exercise. Yes, planning has a great scope of finding better ideas or better methods and procedures to perform a particular job. Planning makes the managers to think differently and helps to make an assumptions for future conditions. That means helps in predicting the future conditions. So it makes the managers innovative and creative. The next importance is planning facilitates decision making. What are decisions making? That means selecting the best alternatives among the various options or alternatives. Well, we know that planning helps the managers to take various decisions. Goals are set in advance and predictions are made for future. These predictions and goals help the managers to take fast and quick decisions. The last importance of planning is it helps in establishing the standards for controlling. Do you remember the meaning of controlling which we learnt in the first chapter? Controlling means comparing the actual performance with the standard or the target, and measures are taken for such differences or deviations. In planning also, standards will be set and the actual work is compared with the standards. This makes it easy to compare the actual performance with the planned performance. In case there are deviations or differences, corrective actions or measures are taken to remove such deviations. Thus, planning provides the base for control. Points to remember. Thank you. Happy learning.